change with time, need, situations, and in order, in a need to set order in their life. There was a time when people used to go to river to drink water. Then they realized that there is a need to create a pot to bring water to their home for their family members for a couple of days. There was a time when people used to push and pull stones, cars without wheels. They realized there is a necessity to create wheels. There was a situation to make the things faster, and they created wheels. I would like to share a few examples of people changing, the environment changing with the situations from Hindu mythology, to great epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Ramayana is a story of Lord Rama, and Mahabharata is a story of Lord Krishna. Hindus are advised to read Ramayana at home, not Mahabharata. Why? Because both the epics talk about different situations, different needs to set order in life. Ramayana talks about Ram, who strived to keep old rules, who went to forest to just keep the words of his father. Mahabharata is about breaking and creating of new rules. Lord Krishna created new rules, broke old rules to set the order in the society. Ramayana is not about division of kingdom, fight between brothers for property and kingdom. In Mahabharata, brothers fought and there was a bloodbath for division of kingdom. In Ramayana, Lord Rama didn't kill any relative. But in Mahabharata, there was a situation when Lord Krishna killed, because of which Lord Krishna killed his own maternal uncle Kans, because he killed his 6 brothers. In Ramayana, Lord Ram didn't break any rule while fighting with Ravan. But in Mahabharata, Pandavas broke many rules to win over Kauravas under guidance of Lord Krishna. In Ramayana, Lord Ram had only one wife, Sita. But in Mahabharata, because of situation, because of the need, because of society, culture, and other aspects, Lord Krishna had thousands of wives. And 5 Pandavas had one wife, Draupadi. There is also about Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, and which talks about Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita. It clearly tells that a person changes with time. If I talk about Bhagavad, the story of Krishna in Vrindavan, he was a kid liked by people, known for his mischievous activities, for attracting cows with his flute, for attracting milkmaids with his activities, for protecting villagers from natural calamities. The Krishna of Dwarka, the Krishna of Mahabharata, is known as a strategist, a kingmaker, who changed the rules, who punished people who are not doing right activities. He is known for the Krishna of Bhagavad is known for milk and cows. The Krishna of Dwarka is known for controlling horses and bloodbath in Kurukshetra. What these stories clearly tell us, that a person changes with time, with requirement, and we also, if we realize and if we see our life, we are also changing with time. There was a time when we were not able to interact with our friends who are living maybe in the US, other countries and all. Because of new technologies, because of the fast moving activities that are happening nowadays in the world, we are able to interact with people living outside in other countries on phone, Facebook, and using other tools and technologies. If we talk about people who came from other cities outside Bombay, there was a different lifestyle we used to live in our small villages, small towns. When we came to Bombay, we saw the life of trains, we saw street smart people, we saw that life is very fast. Our response to needs changed, our response to activities changed. We also started thinking in a different way. There was a time when we were kids, we used to study in schools, our interaction was very innocent with our teachers, our friends. But as soon as we reached to corporate world, we started realizing that people react in different way. And our response also started changing. We realized that we have to change ourselves to meet the expectations and to control the order in the new situations. All these stories and examples and facts from different parts of the history present in life clearly show that only thing that's constant in this world is change. To live life properly, we have to make ourselves adaptable to different situations and have to keep ourselves ready to respond to change. Thank you.